Pioneering the world of aesthetic treatments, Alma completes 20 plus years as a global innovator of energy-based solutions such as laser, light-based, radio frequency, plasma, and ultrasound in medical and aesthetic technologies. From a humble start in 1999 with a vision to develop innovative medical and surgical aesthetic solutions, Alma has always been the first to do things differently, constantly challenging ourselves and embracing change in this dynamic world. Alma was determined to become a market leader. Embracing world's diverse beauty with open arms, Alma now has a global presence across 90 countries worldwide. Alma is focused in delivering breakthrough products with cutting-edge technologies to its partners and customers. Holding the torch high is the in-motion SHR technology, the power behind Soprano. Alma is now the strongest hair removal brand in the world.
Alma's Soprano Ice is a leap forward in laser hair removal. It has brought about a revolution in medical photoepilation, giving long-lasting and better results with SHR and in-motion technologies. With its multiple modes, SHR, SHR Stack and HR, Soprano Ice is a complete and effective laser hair removal solution. Multiple laser wavelengths, that is 755 nanometers and 810 nanometers, are available in Soprano. Combined benefits of Alexandrite wavelength and the diode laser allow you to treat the widest range of clients with varied skin and hair types all around the year to achieve best possible clinical results. It works by gradually heating the dermis to a temperature that effectively damages the hair follicles. It prevents regrowth while avoiding injury to the surrounding tissue. The client experiences a virtually pain-free treatment with a minimal downtime. SHR, Alma's proprietary technology, has been proven in multiple clinical studies as the fastest and safest laser hair removal for all skin types. The sweeping in-motion technique of moving the applicator repeatedly over the treatment area ensures full coverage while applying low fluences at high repetition rates. It enables us to provide customized photoepilation for each client. ICE technology is an advanced cooling technology that cools the skin during treatment for longer time period. The cold sapphire tip minimizes the risk of burns on the skin surface. It continuously keeps the epidermis cool while maintaining the heat within the dermis where the hair follicles are treated. Contact cooling with -3 or below degree temperature in ICE technology increases the client's comfort and making treatments virtually painless and very effective in hair removal.
A thorough consultation and examination by the treating doctor, including assessment of the skin and hair type of the treatment area, is required. It is necessary to provide an accurate and up-to-date medical history along with medications taken in order to receive safe and effective treatments. Avoid UV exposure and sunburns pre-treatment. Stop waxing, tweezing, and chemical epilation prior to treatment. Avoid chemical peels and other laser procedures in the area to be treated prior to your laser treatment for the period recommended by the consulting doctor. A written informed consent and documented photos of treatment area prior to beginning the procedure are mandatory. Ascertain that the treatment room is clean with appropriate lighting for pleasant treatment experience. Ensure that the room temperature does not exceed 22 degrees and the treatment platform is placed at least half meter from the wall. ensure that the treatment room is equipped with the appropriate consumables required for the laser treatment. Protective goggles of the appropriate wavelength have to be provided for the therapist and the client undergoing the treatment. Place the machine at an appropriate distance from the treatment platform. Connect the cord to the socket and make sure there is already a UPS connection to the socket. Now, on the trip button, then the power button. Once you see the screen is working, turn on the key. Then press the start button on the screen. Appropriately place the foot pedal. Connect the required applicator. Select the appropriate hair removal option, and then in the next screen you can see SHR, SHR stack and HR mode options. Based on the area to be treated, select the required mode. Before starting the treatment, thoroughly clean the treatment area and assess the client's skin and hair type and tanning if any to determine the treatment parameters. Choose an unexposed area for the spot test. Cover any tattoos, beauty marks or dark spots in the treatment area. Mark the treatment area in grids with a white pencil. The treatment area should be smoothly wet shaved, avoiding any nicks or cuts. To ensure this, one must stretch the skin and shave in the direction of the hair follicle. Choose the treatment parameters for each client according to the recommendations in the Soprano Ice Quick Reference Guide or as directed by the doctor. Use appropriate protective eyewear before starting the treatment. After pre-cooling the treatment areas, conduct a spot test. This is necessary before initiating the detailed treatment to understand the reaction of the skin to the treatment.
The HR mode in Soprano Ice allows treatment of patchy hair growth and bony area. This mode cannot be used on larger body areas.
Connect the appropriate applicator to be used depending on the client's hair and skin type. For our client, as the hair is coarse and the skin is type 4, we have used 810 nanometers compact diode applicator. Use the HR mode on the screen. Set treatment parameters according to the table shown here. Set the fluence expressed in joules per centimeter square and the frequency as per the HR mode. Use protective eyewear. Start treatment. Apply ultrasonic gel on the treatment area. Place the applicator perpendicular and in full contact with the skin. Pre-cool the treatment area to provide comfort to the client. In order to ensure safety, Alma has provided the device with a hand trigger and a foot switch for the laser beam to be emitted. press the foot switch, trigger and pulse. Pulse once and move to adjacent spot with minimal overlapping of 10%. If the client experiences any discomfort during the treatment, reduce the fluence by 10% or release the foot switch and use applicator's Ice Sapphire cooling technology to relieve the client from the discomfort. Clean the treatment area at the end of the treatment. Observe the treatment area for any oedema, erythema or perifollicular erythema. Do apply sunscreen with SPF 50 and moisturizer after every treatment to protect the client's skin. Explain the post-care to the client with appointment for follow-up visits. It is essential to complete the treatment at the assigned intervals to ensure effective treatment. Do apply sunscreen with SPF 50+ to all treatment areas that are exposed to UV light. Avoid all forms of vigorous physical exercises. Abstain from threading, waxing between laser treatments. Avoid any additional laser treatments or chemical procedures on the treated area for at least 2 weeks post-treatment or until healing has occurred or as advised by the consulting doctor. Soprano Ice has been the subject of multiple clinical studies, all of which have proven Soprano Ice as the most effective laser hair removal solution, yielding best results, virtually painless and safer for Asian skin types too. Soprano Ice takes your hair removal business to new levels.